How to fix Telegram security issues. Concerned about security issues in Telegram? Here's what to do. First, enable two-step verifications. You can do this from settings, then tap on privacy and security, then tap on two-step verification. This adds an extra password layer to protect your account. Check active sessions in settings, then tap on devices and log out from any suspicious devices. Update Telegram to the latest version for security patches. Clear cache regularly to remove potentially compromised data. Use a strong and unique password for your Telegram account. Be careful when clicking links from unknown contacts or groups to avoid phishing. If you suspect hacking, contact Telegram support immediately. Regularly review your privacy and security settings to stay protected. Have you faced any Telegram security scares? Let me know about it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.